Hey guys, so I'm sad to say that this is the last week in this catch-all planner. We have been in this planner since October of 2023. So we will be starting with a new one next week, but I wanted to show you guys. So the kit I'm going to be using is called Purple Rain. This was a TBC Nation subscription. It's no longer available, I'm sorry. I went ahead and already just kind of put down all of the strips, but everything else I was going to do with you. So that is the kit. I also have my date dots here from the penny pages. From Mandy Lynn Plans, I have the week, and we are planning for week 39. And then I also have my sidebar here, categories from Tipsy Dog. And I only have one left of the household, but I do have more in my stash that I will pull out for next week. So let's just get started. I think, yeah, we're gonna do this little guy here to put the week on, and then I can set her aside. And then the 22nd, so I need the 23rd, so the 24th, the 23rd. Here, 23, 24, 25. Go. 26, 27, 28, and 29. There we go. So we have that down. Not much really going on this particular week. I don't think. I'll look at my monthly here in a minute, but just kind of getting stuff done around the house, cleaning wise, filming videos and whatnot. So I finally, I got my camera fixed, obviously, because I am filming this video for you guys. So we will have our diamond painting Medusa squares coming back to the channel. So I'm very, very excited about that, because I miss doing them, and I found out it was not my camera. I believe it was my editing program. So I'm trying out a new one. So definitely excited about that. And maybe I can actually get more content out, which would be really nice as well. Just trying to line these up. And I'm hoping to get a sticker haul going in the next couple of weeks. Because I did order some stickers, and one from a new, actually I guess you could say both from new shops, 2 new shops, and then you guys are going to start seeing a monthly plan with me for a social media planner, which I'm very, very excited about. So let's see here. Okay, we got our last guy there. So for household, I'll pull out a new one for next week. We have a couple more for Ophelia, my daughter. Again, I missed the H in her name. I was typing really fast. I have one more for myself. I will be changing the film in YouTube eventually. I just need to figure out. I think I kind of know what I want to do, but we will see at the end. So they are done with those for now. And let's go ahead and lay out, let's see, these full boxes. I am going to put them all down here at the bottom, I think, this week, because I can and I want to. And I can just put a box over top of them if I need to write something down, or put a video down, which that's what I will do. This guy's did not lay down straight. So I will say, so Purple Rain, if you weren't familiar, is by Prince. I actually got to go, when I was out of town, I went to Minneapolis, because I have a family member that lives in Minneapolis, and I got to go to Prince's house. So I got to actually go see Paisley Park. That was really fun, and it was actually really enjoyable. They have a whole exhibit just for Purple Rain, and we got to see like the props that they used, a couple of the motorcycles, and it was a good time. So that was really fun. And I don't have over next to me this week. That's all right. I don't have my scripts near me this week. Oh, they're there. Oh, I do have them. Okay, cool. So we are going to start on Monday on household. So this will be a little quicker video. And I need, there it goes, I need trash. So on Mondays, we have trash day. And also it is change wax for our wax melters on Mondays. We'll put it down here at the bottom. Nothing on Tuesday, but I do want to try to mow grass and mow grass on Wednesday and on Thursday. So I try to do it twice. We have an electric mower that uses batteries, and I just like to do them on 2 different days. And I'm hoping that we're almost done with mowing grass for the season. And then Saturday is we change our bed sheets, laundry. So we change our sheets and we do laundry on Saturdays. So there we go. We don't have anything right now to put under my daughter's name, but I do have, we'll use this box here, down here. Therapy. Oh, these scripts, by the way, are from Black Mountain Plans. I do PR for her, so if you use Amy B20, you can get 20% off your entire purchase. I do need to do something else next week because I forgot to do it this week, and by the time my kid gets up from her nap, they will be closed. So we'll be able to do that, which is refill prescriptions. And this script is actually from Carly Plans. I'm just trying to use it up. Don't have anything else going on. We do have a video on Sunday, which will be the Catch-All Weekly. And we have an unboxing of a diamond painting on Wednesday because I finally got my camera fixed. So that's Thursday. So we're going to put unboxing down and we'll put weekly down. And then I'm going to put Film My Catch-All Weekly on Thursday because I try to do it on Thursdays to get it up for you. And then ultimately, that's pretty much how this week is going to go. It's short, it's sweet, it's to the point, it's simple, and I'm kind of loving it. Like I said, I don't think I have anything else going on next week. Let me just open up my planner here. Yeah, no, I don't have anything else going on this week. So, yeah, it's easy, it's simple, and I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.